Hello y'all, AJ Cutler here. Welcome back to the nacforadventurer YouTube channel. Today we've got a couple different things for this video. First, I really want to open this package that I got from Hoohah, which is a small sustainable company out of Colorado. It's just been staring at me the past couple days and I'm really excited to open it. Second, we're gonna go into a little bit of an injury update, talk about what I've been doing, where I've been going, how I've been rehabbing, how I've been resting, but also not resting. And lastly, we've got some fun clips from our latest ski trip to Mammoth. And basically we got just the perfect 2-day window to ski the most beautiful bluebird days. And it pretty much went from this to this in less than 24 hours. It was insane and I'm really excited to share some clips from those days. First up, we have this package from Hoohah. When I think of Hoohah, the company, I think of fun, bright, colorful, but also outdoorsy and sustainable. And I was so excited when they reached out to me about a year ago because those are all things that are important to me in my everyday life. She sent me this set and it was this top and then some matching shorts and a matching turtleneck. I got some fun pictures and we've just kind of been in contact for the past year or so. And I even got to meet the woman behind it. Her name is Anna. She came in through Salt Lake and we went to dinner. And she was so incredibly nice. She gave me some more of her egg flower snow pants and I got some more fun pictures. And it was actually kind of funny too because the other week when we were in Banff, we were coming out of Après at this restaurant. And I remember seeing two people that were just very bright and colorful, like in my peripheral vision. And I was like, oh, those are kind of cool fits. Then all of a sudden I just like hear my name being called and it just happens to be Anna and her partner in Hoohah, in her colorful creations. It made me feel like I was like right where I was supposed to be. And I'm distracting myself. I really want to open this. It's just been sitting in my doorway for the past day and I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. And the stickers, bro. It's a matching white top. These are incredible. Okay, we're gonna try these on. So first up, we've got this cute little balaclava that matches my egg pants. Bro. Next up, dude, this matches my egg flower pants too. This is my new everyday jacket. Hold on, my mic is buried. Cute and cozy. This fit on this jacket though, got the little emblem right here.
Oh, it's nice.
Isn't it cute? There's an egg flower.
I can't even see you wearing on your head.
There's this for you too. Nick and I are gonna match. We have to bend down a little bit because the camera. I love this. It looks so good on you.
With the Fall Guys.
Ooh. This one matches my new red vintage overalls. I'm definitely a warm color gal. Leave it to Hoohah to make me feel so pretty. I'm going to get new glasses today and I'm definitely wearing this jacket out. Just want to wear this hat for the rest of the video. So put out my slut strands. Thank you so much to Anna and Hoohah for sending this over. I am so pumped to be wearing this for the rest of the winter season and beyond. I'll put a link to Hoohah in the description below, and if you see anything you like, you can use code AJ, support this channel, support Anna and Hoohah, and yeah, let's keep it going. Hold on, I'm just gonna adjust my camera to make sure I have room for my little head pom-pom. Perfect. Next up is a little bit of an injury update. I've been rehabbing it from getting sprained, taking lots of rest days, listening to my body, and trying to embrace things that maybe aren't just skiing every day. I'm not gonna say that every day is a dream or anything like that, but it has been getting better in at least some area every day. The last month when I was vlogging every day, I was out of town for a little bit. You know, I was resting and I was giving my body time, but I definitely was isolating myself, and part of that was my injury, part of that was vlogging every day, and maybe I used that to isolate myself. But this past weekend I was able to talk with a lot of other people who have had pretty significant injuries from action sports. And it made me realize that I'm not as alone as I maybe felt the past couple weeks. And I don't want to get too emotional because I definitely want to focus on the good and the positive that's coming from this, but I don't want it to cross this line of being toxically positive. And just talking with other people made me realize that I'm not alone. And if you are going through an injury, like, there are so many people out there, whether they're your friends or just other athletes, that are probably going through a similar situation. And whether you have the same injuries or not, like, you still have the same mental process whenever you're recovering from an injury. And it sucks because sometimes I'll get into this hole where, you know, I just reminisce about what I used to be able to do and how I'm not able to do it anymore. But in reality, I need to look back and see, like, wow, I am out here, like, skiing. Like, at least I'm skiing, at least I'm on groomers, at least I'm out here enjoying time with my friends and, like, semi-able to keep up. And while it has been hard physically, coming back and, like, building my strength and building my balance back and making sure that my foot feels better, the majority of the negativity has actually come from my brain and my mind. And yeah, I just found that talking about it this weekend really helped. I wanted to share with you, and if someone out there is feeling the same way, like, please let me know, and, like, know that you're not alone. And even if your foot doesn't have full range of motion, at least you look cute with a balaclava from Hoohah. But one of the big wins from the past ski trip that we had to Mammoth was that I finally got to go off-piste and feel good about it. I want to say for like 1 or 2 full runs, I did this super steep, chopped up face, and it felt amazing. And even though I was going slow and I wasn't charging or anything, and it made me really happy to ski something I haven't been able to ski for the past month. I've had to turn quite a few jobs down, but I've had a lot of wins lately, and I'm okay with that. And this is where I'm supposed to be. Now it's time for skiing. We went to Mammoth with our friends. We had fun. It was beautiful. It was hot. And I hope you enjoy some of the clips we got.
Well, I don't think we're getting through there. 20 minutes out of the way. Bummer. Give me a little wrap around. We're gonna go down here, we're gonna wrap around.
I'm just gonna interrupt really quickly. I've been friends with this girl named Bree Coops on Instagram and TikTok for a while. And she's this amazing photographer, videographer, but she's also this badass skier chick. And I came up to the line at one of the chairs at Mammoth, and standing straight across from me is Bree. Like, I knew that's where she usually skied. And I was like, is that Bree? And she's like, is that AJ? And we ended up riding the chair a couple times together, and my TikTok friends in real life.
We're at Mammoth Mountain.
Give us a weather report.
It's hot. I'm wearing too many layers.
It's a beach day.
dude. Hey Jay, you're shredding. It's super soft in here, actually. Oh my god! Holy shit! I got bucked so hard.
Another interruption. I just want to talk about this video right now. So we're on this lift, I think it's like chair 23, and it's this chairlift that just like goes directly up the face of this giant bowl, and it's very steep, high off the ground. It's 3-person with this tiny little bar. Even with the stabilization, you can see how shaky I was because I was terrified of how high we were off the ground, like what we were over. And I say something and my friends are just like, look at that spine, like look at that wind lip over there, let's hit that, let's hit that. And I was just like, I'm terrified right now.
See me shaking? I do not like this.
This cornice or this little spine looks kind of sick.
Hard to tell how big you can go off that windmill.
That's okay, because that was honestly the best run.
Then the storm came in. We enjoyed a rest day, hanging out at the cabin, checking out a local brewery, and packing up for our 9-hour drive home the next day. It's so snowy. We happened to leave just during the right window as the roads opened up out of Mammoth Lakes. And despite almost getting stuck just once, the rest of the drive was clear and easy.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out my Instagram and TikTok at AJ Cutler for more fun outdoor content. And thanks so much for watching. Keep on crushing. How do I close this? Oh, seriously though, how the f do I close this?